So we just went to the cat show, and Movado has is picking out toys that Christina just got here. Haven't even had a chance. Literally just opened up the door, and this is happening. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is ridiculous. This is hilarious. Oh my God. Completely out of control. Blossom, come here. You want any of this stuff? Look at this. Babe, look. What do you think? Yep, that's Mo's butt. Can't even get at any of this. The Angora has completely dominated everything. Yep. Yep. Oh my God. Yep. Just like that alcoholic and his bottle of Jack Daniels. There you go. There it is. Mo, why don't you let Blossom see that? Here. Honey, look at that. Look at that. You like that? She like that? Oh, Mo, wait a second. Let her play with this too. Here. Yep, Blossom likes that also. I can't even put this stuff away. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, come here, babe. I'm so happy. Her happy too. Here, let's see. What else? What else? What else is in here? What else is in here? Oh, that's a good one too. Sorry, we have plastic runners in here from when Christina's teaching a class, and so people don't track oil paint all over the place. There he goes. There he goes. Blossom, what do you think about some of this stuff? Like that one? Think about that. Babe, what do you think? Pretty good, huh? Oh. Good stuff. All right, well.